If you're over 60, there's a silent thief stealing your strength every single night while you sleep. And if you're not eating the right foods before bed, you're helping it do the job. But here's the good news. Just a simple change in what you eat before bedtime can stop that muscle loss and even help you build strength as you age. Stick with me, because I'm about to reveal the top 4 foods that can protect your muscles overnight. And the Nurture 1 food on this list might already be in your fridge. Did you know that most adults lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass each decade after 30? And once you hit your 60s and beyond, that process speeds up, unless you do something about it. The problem? Your body still breaks down muscle overnight, even if you had protein during the day. And without fuel before bed, your muscles go into catabolism. Basically, your body starts eating itself. But the right foods can stop this. Let's get into what actually works. Coming in at number 4 is cottage cheese. It's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly over 6 to 8 hours. Perfect for feeding your muscles while you sleep. Just half a cup before bed. Delivers about 14 grams of high-quality protein without spiking your blood sugar. Number 3 is a surprising one, tart cherry juice. Not only does it reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery, but it's also rich in melatonin, which can improve your sleep quality. And deeper sleep means better hormone balance and faster repair. Just 4 ounces before bed can make a real difference. Sucker 2 is a powerhouse. Hard-boiled eggs. They're compact, convenient, and deliver all 9 essential amino acids, plus healthy fats to keep you full. 1 or 2 eggs before bed help repair tissue and provide B12 and choline, nutrients your body needs to build and maintain lean muscle. And finally, number 1 on the list, and my personal favorite, is Greek yogurt. Packed with 20 grams of protein per cup, Greek yogurt not only builds muscle, but also contains probiotics to support digestion. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds or walnuts, and you've got the ultimate overnight muscle repair combo. So, here's your bedtime muscle-saving lineup. Cottage cheese, tart cherry juice, hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt. Make these part of your nightly routine, and you could start noticing better strength, deeper sleep, and fewer aches in just a few weeks. Don't let age steal your strength. Fuel your body before bed the smart way. If you found this helpful, tap that like button and hit subscribe for more health tips tailored for strong, active aging.